Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and it's called the notification bell. It's something that I recommend you pressing. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. YouTube will send you one notification that I just uploaded a new video, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So all you got to do is press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath this video, if you're enjoying my content, it is important for my growth on the YouTube platform to give me that thumbs up. It simply means that you're enjoying my channel, and then YouTube will put my content in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. All right, today's the day that I love getting in the mail the Allure magazine. And I know a lot of people, I'm pretty much old school with this, but I love enjoying my bath time in the evenings with a good magazine, and then going through and reading all the articles and having a good relaxation time. And I can only do that for me with a magazine. So the Allure magazine is one that I really look forward to getting because they always have some great stories and great tips, and they usually teach us a lot about some of the products that we've gotten or ones that are the newest on the horizon. So I really enjoy Allure. So the Allure Beauty Box for me is one that when I had the opportunity when I moved to the States, it was one of the first ones that I made sure to get. And it was $15 a month, and it was a couple of full size and then a couple of sample sizes. And it comes with this great booklet inside that the editors write about it. So it was my YouTube. They talk to you like as if they were a YouTuber, where they had the chance to try the products and enjoy them, and then we get to share that together here on the channel. But in the magazine, they give you the sneaks of what's going to be happening in the following months. So this is the December sneak peeks for the Allure Beauty Box. As you know, Allure changed their pricing. I think it's $23 a month, but I locked myself in, which I shared with you guys, for $15 a month, and I got a big bonus mega box. And I'll leave that mega box down in the description box if you haven't had the opportunity to see it yet. I got a really good one. But I was able to lock in the price. And what I've also learned was through the customer service, if you're looking at getting into it and you want the old price, always try to speak to someone in customer service, because a couple of the girls have written in my comments that they were able to try it for a few months at the $15. So that's my recommendation, because $23 right now for this box, I still think they're going through some of the changes. And the last month was, the month of October was when I thought we were going to see a big change from what the $15 box felt like to the newer box at $23, and I didn't feel that much of a difference. But let's see what it's all about. And like I said, I only paid $15 for this, so it's I look through it through different eyes right now. So this is the new box that I'm showing you on the screen that we received. I try to share with you the magazine. I'll move my camera up a little bit closer so that you guys can see what I can see. And I like doing it through the magazine because that's a confirmed that we know 100% it's going to be in the box. It's not sneak peeks. It's confirmed sneak peeks. All right. So the box that they're using now, I really preferred the other one, but this is their new one. It is more like a shipping box, and it has the Allure name on it like this. And then the cover of this month magazine is Pharrell. And the articles inside I have not had the opportunity to read yet, because I wanted to film this so you guys will know what's going on. Also, to make sure that, I think you'll have to check if you go on the website when you order for the month that you want. A lot of times the box is the month that you want is the month that you need to order it in. I still have not received my Allure Beauty Box for November yet. So that's where we are with that. So this one here is the Allure Beauty Box. They're saying what the experts want us to know. And now with the $23 box, my understanding is that you're supposed to get 3 full sizes. And in the this one, let's get up close. I'm going to try to move the camera, so if it shakes a little bit, I apologize, but I'm going to try to get as close as I can so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So what's getting me really excited is the item that is on the top here, which is an eyeshadow palette, and it looks like it is going to be from Sayate London, which is a brand that I enjoy so much. Their loose setting powder for me was a game changer. So I got an opportunity to try a lot of their products, and I really have enjoyed most of them. And their packaging is usually very unique. But the colors on this look beautiful. And this one says it is called the Trend Edit, and it's an eyeshadow palette, and they're considering this one of the full sizes. Now, if you see on the left side of the screen, it says over $140 value, and it has a little star beside it. Usually when they have that type of value is because they also give a free gift when you get products, when you start a new box with them. And you never know what it is until you go on their website, and sometimes it changes more than once during the month. So it's, I guess, based on the inventory that they have at the time that when you sign up. So like I said, this box is $23. I'm just going to move it back a little bit so we can try to get a little bit lower here. All right, so this item here, if it doesn't say full size in brackets, then I know that this is going to be a deluxe sample size. And I've been receiving a lot of this deluxe sample size from this brand called Caudalie. And this one is a really, really beautiful product line. And if my memory serves me correctly, it is a product line from France. And this one, they're saying it is called the Vino Source, and it's called the SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Really excited to get that. Cetaphil, for me, is a brand that I've seen in the drugstore area, and they're saying this is a bonus item. So this is not considered in the count or in the value. And this one is their Glow Daily Cream. Cetaphil is really good for a lot of different skin types, and it is very attainable, like I said, and usually available in the drugstore. The next item that's beside it is from a brand that's going to be introduced to me. It is called By Me times My Beauty Brand. If anyone else is familiar with this brand or knows anything more about it, please leave it in the comments down below, because I've never heard of this brand, and it's one that will be new to me. And this is a liquid eyeliner, and from the way it looks here, I'm assuming it's black. And this is their second full-size item. Then next to it is this Mud Masque, or Musky. This was a Leave Me On Winter Mask. It's saying it has pH balance. It says it's a protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, anti-aging. And they're saying this is also going to be the third full-size item in the bag. I have not had the opportunity to try this, but I have seen in other boxes girls open this up, that I've seen them get this product, but I don't think I've heard anyone do any reviews on this yet. And I enjoy so much leave-on masks. Usually they call them the overnight mask. So I'm really intrigued to hear and see more about this product and to try it for myself. The next item is from Roche Posay, and they seem to put Roche Posay in almost every Allure box, or pretty much I have received a Roche Posay product, which is really nice, but they're really small samples because it is a more expensive line, but it gives us an opportunity to try. And this is their Retinol B3 serum, and that also is going to be a deluxe sample size. So once again, you know, there's nothing on here that screams, oh my God, I cannot wait to get this box. But with that said, I know for me that usually when I'm not that excited, when the box arrives and I get the opportunity to try the products, that usually gets me more excited after I've had the opportunity to try it. So all of these products are pretty much brand new to me. So I love the opportunity to be able to try it. But once again, you know, I'm going to preface that I get this for $15. So for $15, to me, this is a winner box. For $23, I don't know how I would feel about it, but I'm feeling about it as per what I paid for it, and I paid a year ahead of time. So you are going to be able to see the Allure Beauty Box. You're always going to see these sneak peeks on my channel, and I wanted to be able to take this time to share it all with you. There is some fine print on the bottom here, and they're saying that $140, which I mentioned, that has the little asterisk, it says includes the retail value of a new member gift while supplies last, and this goes on sale December 1st through the 31st. So if this is a box that interests you, make sure to only sign up for it in December. Otherwise, I think if you sign up for it in this month of November, you will end up with the November box. So I just want to preface that to you guys. So once again, this is the Allure box for the month of December. This is our confirmed sneak peeks, and I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you guys will be able to know that if you aren't getting it and it's something that interests you, that you'll sign up for it in December. As always, I enjoy so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe, to be able to stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye-bye for now.